Aloha food foresters, this is Tutu Sainz. I got this lovely sapote tree cutting from a local person in my town, and I want to see if I can make it grow. So I trimmed off all the leaves because the leaves are going to take up too much energy from the tree. I'm even going to brush off some of the little baby fruit. Oh, that should be fine. So from here, I'm going to dip it in rooting hormone powder. And this helps the plant get rooted. And I'm putting it in a mixture of native garden soil along with some potting soil to lighten up the native garden soil a little bit so it has air, because in our soil we want air and water and soil. So I'll give it a little bit of water. This is our outdoor garden sink. Okay, pack it in a little tighter so it doesn't get wobbly. And then this pot has a hole in the bottom so the water can drain. And now I'll put it into an area of filtered sunlight, like this. And this is close to the house, so I can keep an eye on it. It's in Zone 1, Permaculture Zone 1, which is where you walk by it every day. And so those are the things that you are taking close care of. The farther away they are from your door, the less often you see them. So little babies like this are perfect for Zone 1. So I'm going to keep them here and let them enjoy the filtered sunlight and watch for new leaf growth on them. Make sure I keep them watered when they need it. And I'll give you an update when I find out more. Aloha! If you like this type of thing and you want to grow food and plants in harmony with nature, please visit me at alohafoodforest.com, where I have a lovely website that explains a lot about it. And you can also, if you're ready to get growing, you can go visit my YouTube channel at Food Forest University, where I've laid out all the lessons from Food Forest University, and you can access them all there for free. And I wish you aloha!